Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge for diffusion, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply app layout on this Motorola. Begin with accessing Play Store and clicking on the search bar. From here you need to type in iOS Launcher and get this free app from this developer. When it's ready, select Open and wait for the pop-ups to show. When they do, you need to choose while using the app and allow in all of them. Then swipe up and click on Home button. After that, you need to access Devices Settings and click on Apps section under Connected Devices. Then click on Default Apps and click on Home app. Now you can apply iOS Launcher by clicking on it and choosing OK in this pop-up. Lastly, select Got It, and as you can see, iOS Launcher was applied successfully on my Motorola Fusion. If you wish to, you can always go into the same settings and switch between your layouts by tapping on Moto app or iOS Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!